Jacksonville, Florida police officers assaulted 24-year-old LaKayan Woods,
Hey, Chief, we got one running, all black, all black. Don't you move. Hey, show me your hands, driver. Show me your hands.
leaving him bloodied, swollen, and handcuffed near a car. Woods's family is demanding accountability for the officers involved. Civil rights attorney Harry Daniels is representing the family and condemned the officers' actions, emphasizing the brutality evident in the video. Law enforcement's response: Jacksonville, Sheriff T.K. Waters defended the officers' actions, claiming the use of force was appropriate despite its disturbing nature. Waters stated that all force, while ugly, may not necessarily be unlawful or against agency policy, and the officers remain on duty. Daniels criticized Sheriff Waters, accusing him of justifying the beating and enabling misconduct among his officers.
Definitively indicate that Detective McCullough never kicked a handcuff Woods.
The incident highlights the issue of law enforcement escalation during routine traffic stops, especially for black individuals. Studies on police encounters. Studies emphasize the significance of initial interactions during police stops. Research findings indicate that the approach officers take in the first moments of a stop can determine the course of the encounter, often escalating situations unnecessarily, as seen in the George Floyd case. Racial disparities in policing are evident, with black drivers being pulled over significantly more often than white drivers, highlighting systemic issues in law enforcement practices. This incident highlights the urgent need for accountability, shedding light on racial disparities and the importance of re-evaluating law enforcement approaches, particularly during routine encounters.